Hello and welcome to this short video on a mini ball head with hot shoe. The Kupo mini ball head with hot shoe consists of a mini ball head on top and a metal hot shoe on its base. It allows you to mount any device or accessory with a 1/4-20 female thread to an accessory shoe. Let's mount this field recorder onto a DSLR. First, we'll mount our ball head to the field recorder by screwing the 1/4-20 thread into the field recorder. Next, slide the metal shoe into the hot shoe of the camera. Lastly, loosen the tension knob on the ball head, position where you'd like, and then tighten to lock in place. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.